AWI has been co-investing with AGnVET to deliver training to their staff.
It's one thing to have good conversations with your customers, and one thing to hear it from me, and one thing to hear it from our animal production advisors, but to align with AWI has been a real winner for us.
I think they've recognised that we are a lot of the times that first point of contact for a lot of farmers, so to have our staff upskilled and be able to recognise potentially where they do need some help in their production system is really, really valuable for them and for us.
We've got a lot of staff who speak with a lot of growers right around the region, and we really want to make sure they've all got access to the latest best practice information.
Yeah, it's going incredible from a company like ours. You know, like AGnVET is sort of leading the way in that staff development in an area that was probably lacking a little bit, and so to see AGnVET take the initiative and work with AWI, bring them on board, and but also take the expertise from companies like ours, it's been refreshing to see, and I think it's going to work really well for them.
By using a case study farm and having 6 sessions across the year, we've really been able to cover the whole gamut of a year of production. So being able to look into effects of nutrition on wool growth, on reproduction, on both the ewe and the ram side. We've seen the crop of lambs come through and understood the impact of nutrition on the ewe's ability to get pregnant and rear that lamb. And so really looking at all of the key profit drivers in a modern sheep enterprise.
The hosts are critical to this. The hosts being open and honest and willing is the key to all of this being a success. And Marty and Megan and Zachary have been fantastic.
How much they've shared with their operation, I think we probably got a lot more than we thought we were going to initially out of a host, so it's been really, really good.
Mum and Dad have done a lifetime ewe management course, and yeah, I've found it really, really good, really enjoyable. Doing it with the employees, it was just sort of a little bit of a different tone.
When we were talking with AGnVET about how we wanted this course to run and how we thought it would be most effective and everyone would get the most out of it, it was crucial, we thought, to do this on farm and follow one farm and one whole year through a farm so that we could see all of those and really understand from the grower's point of view the decisions they were making and understand the commercial reality and the commercial pressures of running sheep, and so that the AGnVET staff could really understand their clients better as well and deliver a better service to those clients.
Oh, I think the staff have really enjoyed it. We've had great engagement, great involvement, everyone turns up every time. I think they've gotten a lot out of it and they're really keen for the next step as well.
It's been a pretty big team effort to pull this together, but a very unique experience, and it's had some great outcomes already. We're very happy with it.
And it was a privilege to be able to work with AGnVET to get their staff better trained up and to invest in the next generation.